How to remove pin from Pinterest board. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open the Pinterest app. For example, I will pin a image. This example I pinned it, and I pinned it, and I go back to my profile icon. You have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right, and then you have to click on the image, and here it's pinned. You can see it. So you have to click on the image and hold it, and then click on the pencil icon, and it says edit. Once that opens, click on delete this pin. Once you click on delete this pin, it will be permanently removed from your Pinterest, but then you can never find it again. So I'm going to click on delete pin, and it's been removed. And this is how you remove a pin from Pinterest board. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.